Another day, another story. Hello all, existing and new friends alike. I'm Thomas, back with the second installment in our 10-article exploration of technological and business transformation. Last week, we took a grand tour of the roots of human innovation. If you haven't read it yet, do check out the Odyssey of Human Innovation. This week's title is Steam, Steel, and Strategy, the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution stands as a remarkable chapter in the saga of human innovation. It serves as a striking milestone that significantly shifted the gears of manufacturing and propelled productivity to unprecedented levels. Much like the innovations we discussed last week, the Industrial Revolution also marks a key intersection where technology catalyzed transformative change, not just in business but also in our daily lives. The dawn of the Industrial Revolution. In the late 18th century, a confluence of technological advancements, driven primarily by steam power and the development of new machinery, ignited the Industrial Revolution. The invention of the steam engine acted as the cornerstone, paving the way for mechanized manufacturing, improved transportation, and ultimately, a new era of industrialization. The transformation of manufacturing. The manufacturing landscape witnessed a complete overhaul. Artisan workshops gradually faded, giving way to factories filled with machinery that could produce goods on a mass scale. The spinning jenny, power loom, and water frame, to name a few, revolutionized the textile industry, setting a precedent for other sectors. The surge in productivity. The increased mechanization led to an unprecedented surge in productivity. For example, the amount of coal mined soared, feeding the factories and the steam engines that connected cities and ports. Such high levels of productivity became the new norm, altering the way we perceive work, value, and success. Social and economic impacts. The effects of this productivity boost reverberated across social and economic strata. Urbanization became rampant, and for the first time, cities became population magnets. The labor market shifted drastically, with the unskilled finding work in factories, while skilled workers adapted to more specialized roles. Conclusion. The Industrial Revolution was a crucial phase in human history, laying the groundwork for future technological innovations and socio-economic changes. It redefined how we manufacture, work, and live, embodying the relentless drive for transformation that has characterized our journey so far. Teaser for next installment. Stay tuned for our next exploration, Electrifying Progress. We'll delve into how the electrification era empowered us to connect globally and interact in new, innovative ways.